Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Now we are going to revise the homework on Unit 4. Let's open page 71 in the book. Question 1, choose. In plant, stomata are widespreading on what? The number of stomata increase on which surface? On upper or lower? On the lower surface. Question B, root hair absorbs most water by, as he asked you about the water, so the answer will be osmosis. Letter C, plant loses water in the form of water vapor in, as he asked you lose water, so it will be transpiration. It will be transpiration. Question 2, write scientific term. The transmission of water, so asked you a transmission of water molecules through semi-permeable membrane from area with low concentrated solution to an area with high concentrated solution. It will be osmosis. Or he can ask you the transmission of water molecules through semi-permeable membrane from area of high concentration of water to low concentration of water. It will be also osmosis. Letter B, a structure extends from root wall. Which absorb water? Extend from root wall, it will be root hairs. Letter C, biological process through which plants lose water in the form of water vapor. It is the transpiration. So, plants lose water, it will be letter C, biological process through which plant lose water in the form of water vapor, it is the transpiration. Letter D, structure in plant, water passes through it from root to stem to leaf. Who or what is the part that regulate the passing of the water from root to stem to leaf? It is the xylem. It is a layer in the root, which is the xylem. Next question E. Two cells surround the stomata in the plant leaves. They are two guard cells. Two guard cells. The last question in scientific term, the ability of cell membrane of root hair to allow of some salts to run through it according to the plant's need. When he asked you about some salt to pass, so it is the selective permeability. So when he asked you about absorption of water or transferring of the water, it will be osmosis. But when he asked you about the transmission of salt, it will be selective permeability. Turn the page to revise the question on the unit. Okay, question 3. Rewrite the following sentences after correction the underlined words. Respiration process contributes in water and dissolved substances transmission to top of the plant. It is the transpiration contribute in water and dissolving substance to transmission to the top of the plant. So transpiration process help in transmission of the water to the top of the plant. Next one. Stem extends and penetrates in the soil to increase the absorption surface. Of course, it is the root hairs. Letter C. Plant loses water in the form of water vapor in photosynthesis, wrong, in transpiration. It loses water through transpiration. The last one, plant stomata are surrounded by two woody cells. No. Guard cells. Put right or wrong and correct the wrong one. Stem extends and penetrates in the soil to increase the absorption surface. We said no, it is the root. Letter B, plant loses water in form of water vapor in photosynthesis, wrong, in transpiration. Letter C. Plant roots are surrounded by two guard cells. No, plant stomata are surrounded by two guard cells. Next question and the last. Next question, it is an experiment. In this experiment, we have a jar contain mercury, like that, and contain plant leaf. Which of the following you will notice after several days of the experiment? Mercury level will reduce or decrease. Mercury level will rise or increase. Mercury level remain the same. When you leave this experiment for several days, what would happen? The plant leaves make process called transpiration, so it raises the water and salts. So what happened to the mercury level? It will rise. So mercury level will rise. Next question. What's meant by transpiration? We said transpiration, it is the process in which the plant loses the excess salts, excess water in the form of water vapor through stomata, which is surrounded by two guard cells. Osmosis, it is the transmission of water from high concentration of water to low concentration of water, or it is the transmission of water from low concentrated solution to high concentrated solution through semi-permeable membrane. Selective permeability, it is the transmission of salts through semi-permeable membrane. We have finished our unit and this homework. Thank you and goodbye.